Did you know your old phone or broken electronic machine could be worth more than you think? Inside every circuit board, hidden between tiny components, lies real gold. Professional gold hunters use a simple process. First, they collect old electronic parts, phones, computers, and motherboards. Every year, millions of devices are thrown away, and with them, tons of precious gold are lost. But what if I told you, you could recover it? Then, these parts are soaked in a special solution of water and acid. The acid carefully dissolves the metals, separating gold from other materials.
This is water.
And leave it for overnight, and we will check tomorrow. After 1 day we will check it. This is called Egypt. This is a powerful acid. Now leave it for overnight. We will check it tomorrow.
After 24 hours, the mixture is filtered, leaving behind pure, shining gold flakes. These are melted and shaped into solid gold bars, ready to be sold or stored. This is why you should never throw away your old electronics. What looks like waste can actually be a hidden treasure. With enough devices, you could extract gold worth thousands, or even millions. So next time you see an old phone or computer, remember, it's not just junk, it's gold in disguise. Don't throw it away. Extract the treasure inside. Note, in real life, handling acid and extracting gold requires special training, protective gear, and licenses, as it can be very dangerous. For your script, you can keep it educational and professional, as I did above.